In wholesale real estate, once you find a distressed property, the very next step is to analyze the deal to determine your offer price. Now, if you think about it, you can't get a good deal if you don't first make an offer, and you can't make an offer unless you first have an offer price. Now, the problem is calculating an accurate offer price is time consuming, so it limits the number of offers you can make. Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal my new instant offer system that gets you an offer price on any deal in minutes. Best of all, it doesn't require comping properties or estimating repairs, making it brain dead easy. But before I show you that, if you're new here, my name is Jerry Norton. I make millions of dollars a year wholesaling and flipping houses. And here on my YouTube channel, I show you how to do the same. So if you want to be a flipping genius like me and live your dream life, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. With wholesaling, to really create momentum and consistently do deals every month, you have to make a lot of offers. In fact, in my opinion, the most important metric that you need to focus on is making 5 offers a day. If you make 5 offers a day consistently, I promise you'll start doing deals every month. That means you need to get to an offer price as quickly as possible. If the deal analysis process is overly time consuming, you'll never make enough offers to get enough deals. And that's why I developed my new instant offer system. It's a revolutionary new offer process that me and my students are using that has drastically reduced the time to calculate offers, which has allowed us to make significantly more offers, resulting in more deals. Now, I actually made this offer system, I'll show you, into a calculator that is brain dead easy to use. I'll show you that in a minute, so keep watching. But first, I need to put my instant offer system in proper context so you understand the big picture so that you can use it to its max efficiency. First, you have to completely change your mindset about the offer process. Most wholesalers think that the reason you make offers is to get contracts. That is not why you make offers. You make offers to uncover motivation. You're looking to find sellers that are motivated to sell at a discount, and the best way to find out if a seller is motivated is to put a cash offer in front of him and see what he does. If he responds favorably, then you know he's motivated and you can work towards a contract. If he responds negatively, then you know he's not motivated and you can move on. That means making low cash offers is nothing more than a filtering process to find motivated sellers. That's it. Let me illustrate my point. Let's say that you had 100 sellers, and out of those 100 sellers, let's say that all of them have an asking price of $100,000. But one of those sellers is highly motivated and would actually accept an all-cash offer for $50,000, but you don't know which one out of the 100 it is that would take that $50,000 offer. How would you find the one that would take $50,000? I know what I would do. I would offer $50,000 to each and every one of those 100 sellers. 99 are going to say no, but I would find the one who would say yes. That's the idea behind my instant offer system. The goal is to put as many low cash offers in front of as many sellers as you can. Do that again and again and again, and you'll win big in this business. Now, the next concept you need to grasp before we dive into my instant offer formula is that initially the goal with offers is less about accuracy and more about anchoring low. Remember, if the goal is to uncover motivation, then the purpose of a low offer is simply to get a favorable response. We're actually looking for a counteroffer. For example, let's say that the current as-is value is $100,000. And with zero analysis, you make a low cash offer for, let's say, $40,000. Now, is $40,000 a good deal? Who cares? That's not the point. The point is to anchor low in order to draw out the motivated seller. Let's say that the seller counters at $90,000. Well, the seller isn't very motivated. Aren't you glad you didn't spend a lot of time analyzing the deal? Now, let's say that they respond to your $40,000 cash offer by saying, the lowest I can go is $60,000. Well, is $60,000 a good deal? Who knows and who cares? That's not the point. The point is they came down from $100,000 to $60,000, and that clearly identifies motivation. Now that you've established motivation, you can do a deep dive analysis, go on appointment, and figure out the right offer price. Maybe it's $45,000, maybe it's $50,000, or maybe it's $60,000. Figure that out after you've drawn out a motivated seller. But I gotta say this, don't misunderstand me. I'm not saying skip analysis. I'm not saying blindly lock up properties. Analysis is crucial, but it's all about timing. Initially, you don't need to be super accurate. You just need to be low enough. Then after you've drawn out a motivated seller, do a detailed analysis. Look at comps, estimate repairs, get an accurate buy price and solidify your offer, and then lock up the deal. That means initially stop fretting over your offer price. So with that in mind, let's get into my instant offer system. There are 4 simple steps that are so brain dead easy, my 8-year-old could do it. Let me show you using my instant offer calculator. Step 1 is to determine the as-is value of the property. Now notice I said as-is value and not the after repair value like we do with a detailed analysis. The reason we're using the as-is value over the after repair value is because the as-is value is quick and easy to calculate, and the after repair value requires proficiency in comping properties and is more time consuming. But I still want to create an accurate baseline value. So to establish the as-is value, I'm going to take the average from Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com, and maybe a 4th site like PropWire. Each of those sites has complex algorithms to establish value, and in recent years, they've gotten increasingly more accurate. When looking at the established value from 3 to 4 of these major sites, what we're looking for is a consistent trend in value. So if they are all fairly consistent, take the average. On my calculator, all you do is enter in the values for each, and it automatically calculates the average. Realtor.com actually gives you 3 different values, so take the average to get the Realtor.com number. Now, if there's an outlier and one is way off, maybe don't use it. Again, you're just looking for an as-is value that you can feel good about, and taking the average of 3 to 4 sites gives you more data to use. Okay, step 2 is to establish your exit price. Exit price is the price your cash buyer is willing to pay for the deal. Now, this is your dispo price. This varies based on the as-is price of the home. The lower the price, the bigger the discount. On my calculator, I built a scale that you can use. If the as-is value is under $150,000, then a cash buyer typically wants to buy at 60% of that value. If the value is $150,000 to $200,000, the exit price is 65% of value. So as you continue to go up in value, the discount comes down. Now you can adjust this scale to your market if you'd like, but once you enter the exit percentage, my calculator will automatically fill in the exit price. Okay, step 3 is to determine your desired wholesale fee. And just like how the exit price is on a rolling scale, so is the wholesale fee. The higher up in value, the higher the wholesale fee. For example, if the as-is value is between $200,000 to $300,000, my desired wholesale fee is $25,000. Whereas if the as-is value is between $300,000 to $400,000, my desired wholesale fee is $35,000. And again, you can adjust the scale to whatever you want. Step 4 is to determine your quick offer price, which is simply the average as-is value minus the exit price discount minus your wholesale fee equals your quick offer price. And you don't have to do anything in step 4 because it automatically calculates it for you. Here's what's so great about my instant offer system. It takes no skill whatsoever. Once you pre-establish your exit percentages and your desired wholesale fees, all you need is the values off of Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com on each offer, and that's just a matter of looking up the addresses, finding the values, and entering them on the calculator. You could get a $4 an hour virtual assistant to do that. I bet I could get my 8-year-old to do it, and she'll work for Goldfish.
Dad, this calculator is so easy, I can buy this house for $50,000.
Now, if you want this calculator, I'll give it to you for free. To get the download link, just go to freeoffercalculator.com. All I ask in return is you leave a comment and say, Jerry, thank you for the instant offer calculator. You are a flipping genius. And FYI, as of this recording, it's just an Excel sheet, but my developers are working on building an actual software where you can save addresses and so on. So that's coming soon. And notice below the as-is calculator is my ARV calculator, so you could use that for doing a more detailed analysis when you're ready and you have a motivated seller. Now, I don't have time on this video to explain that formula, but I did do another video that goes into detail. So watch that video now. And remember, it's not about the money. It's about having the time and freedom to be, do, have, and give everything God has in store for you. And I'll see you on the next video.